Thank you so much. Thank you for having me and allowing me to give you an update for the Early Career Initiative Committee. So to give you a brief background, the Early Career Initiative Committee is relatively new. We formed last year, but prior to being formed, we had earlier pilot events. And these included a survey to engage interest and direction for early career programs, networking and social events, and small group mentoring sessions. So the success and feedback from these sessions demonstrated the need and interest in forming an early career committee to further serve CGC members. So we used the momentum of these early pilot programs to jumpstart our activities for the last year. So we were reinvigorating the coffee break sessions with CGC mentors, and that occurred in May to June of this last year. And these consist of small group mentoring sessions that are led by a CGC expert mentor with up to 6 trainee or early career CGC members. We've also organized an annual meeting early career social that will take place tomorrow evening after the poster session from 7 to 8 p.m. that will be in Park View Room on this floor. Additionally, we have an upcoming early career virtual webinar regarding mentorship that will take place on Tuesday, September 19th, so please save the date. See if I can. Okay, I think I'm pressing the pointer. Thank you. Figuring it out. Well, I want to give a huge thanks to our 2023 coffee break session mentors. And really the success of these coffee break sessions are largely due to the talent and mentorship of these individuals. Our coffee break sessions consisted of 7 sessions, 1 for each mentor, and we had 42 early career members as attendees. And we were able to get feedback from these coffee break sessions. And just to give you the highlights of a few, the meetings were very helpful, informative, and interactive. It was a very helpful discussion. Thank you so much for the opportunity. And these sessions were helpful to build attendees' network and establishing mentoring relationships. We also were able to quantify feedback for these coffee break sessions. So when we asked the question, how would you rate the overall session? We received an excellent response of 4.8 out of 5 rating. When we asked, how would you recommend the coffee break sessions to other colleagues? All responses were the highest, or highly recommended, 5 out of 5. When we asked what was the most valuable or useful aspect of these coffee break sessions, 60% of responses said that career advice was the most useful aspect. 30% said that networking was the most useful, and 10% said that meeting new people was the most valuable. So these positive responses and success with the program indicate that the early career programming is very useful for our CGC members. So I'd also like to advertise our early career social that's taking place tomorrow evening in the Park View Room after the poster session. And this is open to those in training or recently out of training. So please come, make new friends, reconnect, and network. There'll be food, drinks, and social activities, as well as complimentary headshots. Additionally, registration is open for our Early Career Initiative webinar. And this is titled Seeking Mentorship Geared Towards a Successful Career in Work and Lab Environments. This will take place Tuesday, September 19th, and we have a wonderful panel of panelists, and we'll have a discussion and Q&A session. So we're going to be discussing how to make the most of mentorship in a professional and diagnostic clinical space. So discussion topics will include different types of mentorship in professional environments, responsibilities of effective and proactive mentees, how to build from criticism, constructive and otherwise, and qualities that mentors are looking in their mentees. So with that, I'd like to thank you for your attention, and I'd definitely like to thank our Early Career Initiative Committee members for their work in organizing and leading these programs. Thank you.